Hey guys, I realized while going to the farmer's market that maybe you might want to take a trip with me. So I started recording a little bit late. I don't have as much footage as I usually would have. Welcome back. You're going to spend a Saturday morning with Josiah and I. First, we had a little playtime. I got ready for the day, got him ready, and then we had a 4-month photo shoot. Can't believe my baby is 4 months old, holding himself up. Then I decided, you know what? Let me go ahead and drive to this farmer's market everyone talks about. It's a small town, so I figured even though we were getting a late start, we'd see some things. Forgive the condition of that sweater. I had no idea. I used my baby wrap to hold Josiah, and he experienced his first farmer's market ever. I just realized too, this is probably the most people he's ever seen in his entire life, especially in one place. I tried to record, but my camera stopped recording.
The Civil War. The guy who buried the money is hanging right there. He got killed by some bushwhackers before he told the family where he put the money. The county, surrounding counties, and the buried treasure.
Definitely check out J.B. King, a local author. His book sounds super interesting. I got to stop by a paint and sip table. I was really more interested in the sip part, but and then there were vendors. I thought this was so cute. A Santa cam. Origami Owl was out there with customizable jewelry that tells the story. And then Young Living with essential oils. I didn't get anything because I want to do my research first. And then there's a little garden made of compost. Then in true Midwest fashion, I stopped by Good Samaritan and some yard sales and found a few quick grabs. 50 cent, 50 cent. I think the sweater was like $2. And y'all, Josiah was asleep, resting so well. I decided to do a DIY project. I'm not going to show you the whole thing on this video, but tune back in to see how my project turned out. Or follow me on Instagram. I think it's super important to support local businesses. So I went out to see if there's anything that I'm getting ready to purchase that I would like to purchase at the farmer's market. So I recommend finding out a little bit about your local farmer's market and then seeing if you can go and support them. Typically it's Saturday mornings. Typically they last a few hours. Usually they have some food or something to drink, so you can do that while you shop. There was coffee out there. There was fresh produce. There were eggs and vegetables and different things. But I just went to really get out the house and to look around and to socialize. So did all that, and then I spent, I think, a total of maybe $4 at Good Samaritan. And I'm excited about that. That's what you do when you're in a small town in the Midwest in the middle of a worldwide pandemic. If you like what you saw, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like, comment, share, and then let me know what else you want to see.